watching a video of 31st of October, right? And if you also have a video of 6th of November maybe, right? Or maybe 10th of November, maybe 2nd of November. So you can check which stock came in 31st and what was the price on 6th of November, or maybe 8th of November, or maybe 5th of November, right? Similarly, did the stock come in the scanner 2 times, 3 times, 4 times? So let's say if ONGC comes in this scanner today, as an example I'm telling you, if ONGC comes in this scanner today is 31st, and ONGC is performing on 5th of November as well. Okay, this is 31st of October. If ONGC is performing on 5th of November, did this scanner filter out ONGC on 5th of November as well? For your remembrance, that we can check. If I'll upload the video today and if scanner gives me 5 stock and 2 of them did not perform, so you will see the you will feel that the scanner is not, the strategy is not good, and then you will stop watching the further videos. So this is not what I want, right? Now coming back to what these attributes are, what these pointers are, I'll explain each and every point in the explanation video. When I'll be making an explanation video, then I will explain what these pointers are and how one we can relate to the stock is dropping in Masterstroke sell side. So let's check Bandhan Bank, and this is morning's time, and Bandhan Bank looks to be a little weak. It is 4%. I'm sorry for my sore throat. It is 4% down, and look at this. It is dropping by. Now this seems to be a support of 51, and if this breaks, you can clearly see, if this breaks, then the stock will fall further. Look at this. This seems to be a stop for this Bandhan Bank, right? Because it has been a long time this level has not been broken, and this can be broken in the days to come, provided it should fall below 250. Look at this, right? And right now, what is the price? Right now the price is 253, and it has made a low. Okay, so it has been removed. Now relax, nothing has gone wrong. It has been removed by the scanner. Why? Because the stock is just 1.65 rupees up. Okay, now another stock has fallen in, which is Intellect. Okay, let's check Intellect. Like I told you that this is morning session, so we really don't have to jump into the trade immediately. Intellect is already 8% down. Okay, Intellect is already 8% down. Look at this. It has opened gap down, and it is falling further. 457.95 is the price right now. Okay, 458 ho gaya. Where is Bandhan Bank now? Okay, so according to me, Bandhan Bank should fall further, provided it should break the level of 250, right? And this can be a positional bet, but looks like that there was some result kind of thing in this. Let's check, when was the event held? I guess. Okay, I'm not able to get it. When was the result? Okay, look at this. It was 63. Now Intellect is falling further. Intellect is now 53, 52. There is a heavy fall. Okay, 52. It is now 10%. Within just 2-3 minutes, this stock has fallen heavily. So this seems to be a result impact, because look at this. This is earning. So the earning was on 28th of October, and that was a close for the market. The day was a closing for the market, and this is the impact of news, or maybe result. Bandhan Bank is again down. Look at this. Now you will see Bandhan Bank coming in this section once again, because I can see Bandhan Bank is now 252 rupees 95 paisa. It came at 254 rupees. Okay, see, Intellect is there in pure short as well. So when all the attributes are met, when all the parameters are met, you will see a pure short. Look at this. It is 54 now. It was 457. It came at 462, 461, 464. This was the price, and now it is 454. But we really don't have to jump into the trade immediately. However, we could have taken, because the pressure is intense. The falling pressure is intense, but the stock was already 8% down. You really cannot think of jumping. Let's say if it reversed, right? If it reversed, then this could have been a big trouble. And now look at Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank is now 251. Oh my god, it is falling severely. 251. We could see the price 253, 254, right? And I drew this line, this red line. मैंने बोला था कि अगर ये इसके chart, so that is why we have a scanner, so we can keep on watching the values and the moves of the trades of the stocks at one place. Bandhan Bank 48 rupees, it came at 254 rupees, now it has made a low of 247.90. Intellect came at 64, it made a low of 450.55, it is 10% down. I'm sorry. Trend came in the stock, in the scanner, it is again there, it made a high of 1514.95, and let's see what happens in trend today, day after today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and all that. So let's see. Stay tuned. I'm going to pause this, guys. I cannot talk continuously. So I've given you the overview, what you have to look, which price you have to watch. So this is percentage. I'll talk about this as well. This is price, open, high, low, and then we will talk about this entire logic at the later part. So stay tuned. So friends, look at this Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank is now 45 rupees. There is a straight fall of approximately 8 to 10 rupees from the time when we could capture. We captured the stock here, and the stock is now here. Okay, and this was the line which I drew. अब इसको मैं हटा देता हूँ. So the prediction was correct, but anyways, not all the time. Intellect 50 पे ही halt हो गया है, 10% का circuit has I guess that is what it is happening. Bandhan Bank and Intellect, it was a pure shot. Trend 1514.95 का इसने high मारा, and that fell down to 1588. Now it is again 1505 rupees, 1509 rupees, I can see 1511 rupees. It is moving up and up and up. So trend now, it should break 50 I mean what do we call 52-week high. It is on the verge of making, but it can make people fool as well. Right, because there can be a selling pressure once again for the stock, and if it stays above, if it closes above 1500 rupees, then there can be a further rise, as long as the results are intact. Let's see what happens. And I don't usually trade the result based stocks, so we can only watch and enjoy. There is no hardship to jump into the trade. Stay tuned, people. Keep watching the screen. days to come. But the second thought is that the stock is about to release its results, its earnings, right? So be watchful, be careful. Intellect is now 41 rupees. Okay, it made a new low. Wow, we were not looking at Intellect, and gradually it made a low of 437. It was identified at 464. Now it is approximately 12% down. Bandhan Bank is at 243 rupees. One more rupees down. Then friends, as of now, looks like that the software is acting up, and it is crashing in between. So